Welcome back to Marketing Sensibility, the podcast where we unpack everyday challenges with clarity and insight. I'm Faruk, and today we're stepping beyond the glossy brochure and diving into something far more powerful: visual storytelling. If you manage a hotel, guesthouse, or spa, or work in hospitality marketing, this episode is for you. We'll learn how to use visuals to create emotional connections that drive bookings and build brand loyalty. Let's start with a simple truth. People don't book rooms, they book experiences. A brochure shows amenities. A story shows why they matter. Visual storytelling is about using images and video to evoke emotion, showcase authenticity, and invite your audience into that narrative. Here's what it's not. It's not posting pretty pictures of your pool. It's not stock photos of smiling guests. And it's not drone footage with no context. Instead, it's a behind-the-scenes look at your chef preparing a significant dish, or a guest's candid reaction to a spa treatment, a sunrise view from your balcony with a personal caption. These moments build trust and curiosity, and they convert browsers into bookers. Now let's talk strategy. How do you build a visual story? Firstly, start with your brand identity. What makes your property unique? Is it luxurious, wellness, adventure, sustainability perhaps? Your visuals should reflect that. A rustic lodge shouldn't look like a corporate resort. Second, use real moments. Authenticity always wins. Feature your staff, your guests with their permission of course, and your local surroundings. User-generated content is gold. Encourage guests to tag you and reshare their stories. Thirdly, try thinking in sequences. Don't just post random images. Create a visual arc. Arrival, experience, emotion, departure. This helps your audience imagine themselves in that story. Optimize your content for the platform you use. Instagram loves vertical videos and reels. Facebook favors albums and streams. TikTok thrives on humor and personality. So tailor your content to each platform's strengths. Now let's talk tools. You don't need a Hollywood budget to tell great stories. Here are a few I recommend. Canva Pro for designing branded visuals and social templates. CapCut or InShot for editing short-form video. Later or Buffer for scheduling and analyzing posts. Google Photos or something similar for organizing and tagging visual assets. And Copilot or Jasper for writing captions and story prompts. And if you're ready to level up, Story.ai, an AI-powered storytelling tool for hospitality, Loom for quick video walkthroughs or team intros, and Drone Deploy for aerial shots if you have access to a drone. Before we wrap up, a quick caution. Don't let AI dilute your authenticity. Large language models like ChatGPT are amazing for brainstorming and drafting, but they don't know your brand like you do. Avoid using AI to write reviews or fake testimonials, relying on it to interpret guest feedback, and letting it replace your voice and values. Use AI as a creative partner, not a substitute for your expertise. Visual storytelling is your secret weapon. It's how you move beyond the brochure and into the hearts of your guests. So grab your phone, capture the magic, and share the story only you can tell. Thanks for tuning in. If this episode sparked ideas, share it with a fellow marketer or hotelier, And remember, your brand isn't what you say, it's what you show. In the next episode, we'll explore the journey from booking to loyalty. Until then, take care of yourself, and if you can, someone else too.